Hello everyone, this is Nafisa from Studionafisa, and today I'm really very excited to show you how to draw Baby Yoda from Star Wars. So let's get going. I have a few things with me. I'm gonna actually draw with a marker. You can use a Sharpie, you could use a pencil, regular pencil. I have an eraser and I pulled out 3 crayons. Just one curve, another curve, just to draw two bottom side of the eyes. And then we're just going to add the top. Let's add some shine. Later on we'll come back and color that. Maybe a little bit, few marks under the eyes, a nose in between. And this time Baby Yoda is really very happy, so we've got a smiley face. It's got 2 eyebrows going over there. Going to add the top. So we draw just one. Now Baby Yoda has a really very squished up face. So we're going to keep this top part a little flatter, a little flat curve. Maybe it's got some wrinkles going on over there. We leave a little bit of space on both the sides for ears and kind of draw a U shape. It's also a little flatter U. And then we add the big ears. To draw the ears, we're going to draw lines. Whatever we do on the one side, we do on the other side as well. And it's got really long ears. Somewhere midway between the cheek over here, we're going to go in and join this. And then the same thing here, so somewhere here, I want to bring that over. You can add some inside part for the ear. So that is the face. Thanks for watching. This is just the head. We're going to start with the body. And I plan to add a heart for kind of Valentine's here. So we'll go with that. If you know Baby Yoda's name, go ahead, put it in the comments. I believe Baby Yoda has a name. And it's got a shirt that pretty much looks like a sack with really very thick collars. So I'm gonna go and do that. Since I want to add a heart over here, I would first draw the arm here. Bring it somewhere midway. A line like this almost looks like an L. And I'm gonna go in. It's got really good big cuffs as well. So that would be the arm, and let me add over here its fingers. Got 3 fingers. Now I'm going to draw the heart. My heart is going to come somewhere from here, maybe going a little bit over here. So I'm going to draw like a number 3, a little bit slanted, like that. Then I have the other side, the collar coming here, and a shirt is going down there. This side, let's finish the shirt too. Add the other arm holding the heart. Let's finish the heart. And now we can finish its shirt. That takes care of the drawing. Now let's start coloring. I would like to color the eyes first, so that eyes are really very expressive. Any kind of emotion that we show usually is expressed by the eyes and the features on the face. So right now, Baby Yoda looks a little happy. Just going to color the eye. Leave that shine out. I'm going to start with the coloring now. So it's got some green kind of color for the body. It's got, our heart is of course going to be red, and then I'm going to have brown for the sack. So we're just going to color now. The inside part of the ears I'm going to color a little differently. So I'm going to leave that out for now. If you have any pencils, you could use pencils too. Go ahead, start coloring. I'm going to try a little bit of a golden color inside its ears. And then a little bit, if you want to make this look a little bit woolly, like made out of wool, you can do some squiggly lines here for the collar. I think we might need a line over there for the collar. Something over there. This kind of line will make it give a little different texture to the collar rather than being plain. And then we can do the same over here as well, just going round and round. And then we just color this plain. We've got the hands, so the hands are also green in color. And then the heart.